So in the chat section, you have an emotes, the standard ones and ones that you sub to. They're all on here. You have the ability to change your color of your name in the chat, so you can stand out differently or choose your favorite one. Mine's purple, so I'll choose that. You can customize the colors and have even more style difference by clicking more colors. Going back, you can show timestamps, so you can see when people have said what. So you also have readable colors to make it easier for certain people with certain colors. You can hide the chat completely, or you can show it back. You can also pop out the chat, which could be really handy if you want it on a different monitor, or you just want just the chat somewhere, and you can minimize the actual screen. And then you have the chat button to click enter. You can follow just over here. You can unfollow. You can click the bell for notifications for when it goes live. You have a share tab here. You can choose any of these, or you can click Twitter, change it to wherever you want and share the love. You can report them if they someone being toxic. Definitely do that. And then in the chat, you can click on people's names. You can see when they followed you. You can add them as a friend. You can whisper them directly from here. And again, on the free tabs, you can block them or you can report them quickly. If they're already a friend, it'll show you that they're friends. If they've sent you a friend request, then you can accept or reject just here, just like that. You also have the ability to at someone. So the ability, if you've been trying to talk to someone and they can't see you in chat, you can basically swoosh them by atting them, and they will see it more clearly. You also can do a / option, which gives you lots of stuff like blocking them, unblocking them. What's it? You can see how many mods are in chat. You can see how many VIPs are in chat. Just by typing or clicking on / mods or typing it out, and it will give you the list of all the. You also have the pause button. You can mute them. You have settings here. You have a quality section. If you drop down, you have, if you're struggling to watch streams because your internet is not great, you have a low latency that you can turn off. The mini player for when you've been around, and it's down the bottom. You can check out the video stats to see what they're, if there's any issues with what you're watching or what they're doing. You can check out the ad stats from here as well. The next is clips. Now in clips, you can clip anything you want. You can select the sliders, put in a title, publish it. Once it's published, you can then tweet it straight out or add it to Facebook or whatever you want to do and share the love. Next, you've got theater mode. Theater mode will basically get chat and full screen. So it gets rid of the sidebars underneath or the about section. You've got a nice clean picture. It's a great mode to have. Click it back again to get rid of it. Or you can go full screen. This will get rid of the chat completely and you'll just have the streamer's actual video in your face. Exit that. And then at the top, you can collapse the chat anyway. But keep everything all around it, the about section and the followed channels. Expand it back if you need to. And then you can even click on the little users and see every single user that's in the chat.